Hey y'all. We bought some pizza crusts 2 days ago, and they've supposed to be good for 2 more weeks, but they lied and they went bad on us. So I've heated up some gourmet pepperoni, and I threw some old world sauce on some Trader Joe's wheat and corn tortillas. If you've never tried those, you should try them. They're good. Great on tacos, burritos. We'll see if they're great on emergency, as an emergency pizza crust. And she likes hers cheesy. I'm doing 2 for her first. And we've got some Italian seasoning. If you don't know the story, the little tiny shaker on Amazon is like, I don't know, it was $6 or $10 or $45, who knows. This was like 25 cents with free shipping. I may exaggerate slightly, but not much. So I'm just going to add a little bit of red pepper to hers, not much. And we'll try to slide this on to the griddle without making too big of a mess. You know me, I like making a mess. That's what I do best. Right, Baja? Huh. Oh, there's the other pepperoni. Okay, and ta-da! We'll grab those. Ooh, griddle gets hot. Did you know that? Not sure if you're aware of that. Slide over that and cover it for a minute to help the cheese melt. These won't take long. So go ahead and throw my pepperoni on. Our co-host Baja is fussing because I'm not picking up the ball and throwing it. Sorry, Baja. So, we got those. It won't take long. That's taking a little longer. I know. It's terrible. Nobody throws the ball, they just ignore you. Poor Bubby. So the crust is getting nice and crusty. Cheese is getting melty. And cheese continues to melt when you take it off the griddle. I'm sure you knew that. So let's give this a minute and I'll be right back. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. It's mostly melted. I don't want to burn the crust too much. So, we'll yank these off, and I'll deliver the pizza to my lovely assistant, and I'll try making one for my own as soon as I get back. Keep an eye on this for me, will you? Oh, you want to see? See? Yum. Okay, keep an eye on it. Okay. Let's grab us a couple more crusties. Maybe seal that up. So these don't go bad like the crust. Makes me mad. I like that crust. Anyway, I don't like it when it's got green spots, that's for sure. So this is some box of old world style sauce I picked up from somewhere. Maybe one of those fancy stores. Like, no, that wasn't it. Whole Foods or could have been a discount grocery. I don't know. I don't pay attention. I don't listen. Anyway, Sprouts. That's what I'm thinking I may. I bet you I got this at Sprouts. And it really does smell yummy, like old world tomato sauce or something nice and rich and thick, just like me. Tastes like pizza sauce. So we got our Italian. Oh, cheese, you think? Okay, fine, we'll add cheese. You're so peaceful. La, 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 la. No Baja, you get no cheese today. So, now we'll add the Italian. Picky. Crushed red pepper. This is like $3 or $4 at Kirkland. It was nothing at Costco. So I had to get some. I had one of those little jars that we bought 20 years ago, and you know, it just hangs on. Oh, you wanted to watch this? Okay, fine. Man. Thought you just came to watch the sunset. There we go. We got burnt fingers. That's what we got. Throw our pepperonis on. Dough mix. And what do you think, huh? Baja, you got any thoughts? Yummy. Glad the days are getting longer again. Ooh. How about some chopped chives? Oh, don't trip me with your ball, please. Trying to kill me. What else we got? Some onion would have been good. No, we don't want that. Yeah, I could have added some dehydrated onion, but I ain't gonna. So let's give this a couple minutes and see what happens. Okay, y'all. Looky there. That one's done did. I could have spread the sauce and cheese a little more, but I didn't, so there. That one's almost done. So, we got a quick and easy supper. Done in emergency circumstances. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Come back again. Be sure to like, share, follow, subscribe, all that other stuff. And come back again next time. Bye!